Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Andy in Singapore, and today we are going to do an unboxing video. This package here came in from Australia. It is from Artem Straps. Alright, my good friends at Artem Straps, thank you very much for sending in this package. I think this one here is pretty cool, right? You've got this silvery looking foil kind of envelope here. Alright, so let me see if I can tear open this over here. Alright, I really don't know how many straps or what kind of strap they have sent in this time around, so let me see what I've got inside this package here. Alright, so tearing open the flap over here reveals an inner package. Let me just try opening this package here again. Okay, so this is a bit like the Russian doll kind of thing. We've got packaging inside another packaging, so I think this is pretty interesting. Do we have one more packaging inside over here? Okay. Wow, okay. Got a total of how many? 4, 5 different straps over here. Okay. Got 4 straps over here. Let me just take them out and lay them down on the table one by one here. Alright, so we've got 4 straps or 4 pairs of straps. Let me just slowly unbox or unpack each and every one of them. So let me just start from the one on the left. Okay. Wow, packaging here is really solid. Artem Straps, really nice. Okay. Wow. Oh, okay. So this one here is the trademark sailcloth strap, and I've been looking at these straps for a long time. Okay, I intend to get these straps for myself, so I wrote in to Artem Straps, and it was really nice and very kind of them to send in these straps for me to do my reviews. Okay, so Artem Straps, they've been in the sailcloth strap market for a while now, and they've gotten lots of fans out there. And the special thing about their straps is that they've got this really nice material, which is not really cloth, alright? It is not fabric, despite being called sailcloth. Alright, it is sort of synthetic material, and it is also lined with a rubber backing. And I think the craftsmanship here is just fantastic. Alright, I'm gonna have a good time trying out these straps on my watches. I've got strap models or strap monsters watches such as Omega Speedmaster and Sinn. I think this one here is gonna look good on these models over here. So let me just return this one to its packaging. Okay, nicely designed and folded here, this packaging here, Artem Straps. Alright, let me just slip this one back into the foil cover, and I'll move on to the second one. Alright, so this is the second watch strap from the left. Let me see what's inside here. Whoa, okay. Ooh. So this is the dark blue navy strap, again with white stitching, and this one here comes with a single fold deployment clasp. Oh my goodness, this is just fantastic. Oh dear, I was saying this one here would look really good on the Omega Speedmaster because it's got the single fold deployment clasp here. Okay, alright. Very nice and generous of them to send in this one here, because wow, I think this is one of their higher end models, and again it's got the same construction, the sailcloth material at the top here, and the inner lining or backing is rubber. Alright, so this backing here is going to be a lifesaver here in our hot sunny climate here in Singapore, because the light colored inner linings, they are not going to last. Okay, so after a while, a year or so, it's going to be staying up and all that. With this rubber backing, you will be good. Alright, no issues at all in our hot and humid weather. So let's go on to the third one. Wow, this has got to be the biggest strap unboxing I've ever done on my channel. Alright, so I really didn't expect them to send so many pairs of straps. Again, big thank you for sending over these straps, Artem Straps. I'm very, very amazed, very surprised, and of course I'm very grateful. So the third one here, let's see what we've got. Alright, and this again is another pair of strap which features a different type of deployment clasp. Okay, so I think this one here looks like the more regular type of clasp compared to the one previously unboxed, where that one is a single fold over without any strap keepers, but this one here is a more traditional looking type of clasp here. Okay, this is black on black stitching and I think it looks really cool as well. Right, so this is the last pair of straps ready to be unboxed. And this is the all navy blue one, and it comes on the regular tank buckle. Alright, fantastic. It's a pity I don't have a dark blue BB58 because I think this will look so well. I've seen on their Instagram page, they've paired this one up with the dark blue BB58 and it just looks amazing. So my BB58 is, you know, the black and gilt version. I don't think it's going to look so good on this one, but definitely worth a try if you've got a blue dial or blue theme kind of watch here. Fantastic looking strap here. On first impression here, I think all the straps I've unboxed so far, they are very well made, feel really good. They don't feel stiff or cheap or anything like that. I really love the texture and feel to it. And of course, I'm a big fan of watches with rubber inner lining. So I will usually spend more money to customize my watches with rubber inner linings. I've done so with brands like Camille Fournet or Deluxe. And for Artem, you don't have to do customization. Okay, how cool is that? It comes standard. Okay, and I very quickly ran over to my watch box and, you know, after putting everything away with packaging out of the way and all that, I managed to just fix on this strap to my Speedmaster over here, and I would say it matches really well. It feels very good. The strap here is really well made. The sailcloth material here is top notch and I really love the inner lining over here. So same goes for the hardware here. It is also nicely brushed and the keepers here are of different sizes. I think everything is very well thought out. Really, on first impressions, I think this is a big thumbs up for Artem Straps. Let me just quickly do a wrist shot for you and I'm going to see how this one feels on my wrist. So here you can see from the wrist shot, it fits really well. I would say there's still a bit of breaking in needed, but not very much because it already feels soft and comfortable. For this one, it's a brand new strap and I think really good looking for the sportier type of watch there. Not necessarily the diver watches, but in terms of watches, you know, things like the Sinn and the Speedmaster, you know, I think these watches will look really good on the sailcloth straps. So I'm going to spend some time with these straps and I will come back with a full review video. Alright, so stay tuned for that full-length review on Artem Straps. This is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.